Green screen. Alright.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, you mean people them don't know say, boy, your favorite Jamaican YouTuber Yaadman Etan. And hold on. Oh, boy. I'm vexed. I'm upset. Who am I upset with? I'm gonna call him right now. I am upset with YouTube. YouTube! I try sabotage, man. YouTube has been trying to hinder my development, and I don't know, it probably isn't, but I don't know if this is a personal attack. This is not going to be one of my usual videos that I'm at, you know, the comedy and skits or whatever. I mean, special effects are probably going to be involved because my extra them with it. I just feel like I needed to let my fan base know, let my subscribers know, let my supporters know what's been going on with Yaadman Etan. It seems to be something that has been affecting not just me, but YouTube on a whole. Now, remember, you know, this video is not sponsored by Etan Estate. I just need a drink to talk about this. This is the 4th time this has happened to my channel, and I don't know what it is. It seems that YouTube is going through some type of changes, but I know I am not the only YouTuber affected by this, right? But it genuinely feel like YouTube I try kill me. Like YouTube I try sabotage me. Now, what is the 4th time? What am I talking about, you might ask? Now, a lot of my subscribers has been complaining for the past month. Yeah, since me did do the Style of G video. Yeah, that one there.
Man out and stunting.
That one I get the full drop from Style of G video, so this might be the first time some of you guys are seeing this video, this clip, right?
Since a month ago, I've noticed that my post notifications are not working. That means every time I post a video, most of my subscribers, they don't see that Yaadman has posted a video. Some of my subscribers even try to bud me up in the comments, even on Instagram, like, yo, when you drop a new video, and I'm like, brother, bro, God, dog,
I've been posting videos, but I not get the notifications.
No, thing is about YouTube does not have a direct phone line, and if they do, the public doesn't know about it. How would I reach out to YouTube? I could try, you know, one of them email thing there, and then hope maybe they will get back to me. Or I could do what every millennial does nowadays. I could, you know, I could tweet them. No, I did tweet YouTube on the 26th of December 2019, Boxing Day, for those who don't know Boxing Day. At Team YouTube, Merry Christmas, ellipses. Can you please tell me why the notifications for my videos are not working? I've posted new videos and I'm hearing reports from those with notification bell on. They are not getting my notifications. Why is that? YouTube actually replied to my tweet. And YouTube said,
Is this happening on desktop, mobile, or email notifications? Also, let us know if this happens with all notifications or just certain types. Appreciate the additional info.
I reply back and I say to them, it seems to be all. This is the 2nd time, at the time, it's happened to me, and it has severely impacted my viewership. So YouTube then replies back and says, thanks for clarifying. Make sure your subs have checked their notification settings, not just the subscriber bell, but also for their app and phone. More info here at yt.be/help/notification. Let us know if a lot of your subscribers are reporting this. Then I said, yes, a lot of my subscribers are reporting this, and it's reflecting significantly in my analytics.
1/3 of my subs have the post notifs on.
So as we can see, YouTube does reply to tweets, right? Cool. let's see if we can get a hold of, you know, YouTube again. 2 days ago. Alexa, what date is today?
Today is Friday, January 17th.
So if today is the 17th, that means that I tweeted them on the 15th of January, right? So I said, hey, at Team YouTube, it's been about a month now. My post notifications are still not working. Ellipses. My subs are still reporting I'm not posting vids when I am. But this time, YouTube did not respond to this video. No, I don't usually show people my video analytics, but here are my video analytics, right? And as you can see, because of this issue, my viewership, my numbers have plummeted. Now, let me explain the seriousness behind this, right? Now, YouTube is my job. Alright, I am a content creator. I love my job. I love making videos. I love being able to utilize my Jamaican culture and put it into my videos and make high quality videos and proves it, especially for my Jamaican and Caribbean people. But YouTube don't seem to be liking it. No, I don't know. As I said, I don't know if it's intentional or it could be an issue. But regardless, this is messing with my bread, because guess what? If my viewership goes down and if not as many people are being able to see my videos, that means I'm getting less views. Duh, I just said if your viewership goes down. And if I'm getting less views, you know what that means? I make less money. Like significantly less money. This is coming at a point where I was on the trajectory to blow up. Like I saw my stats were looking amazing, especially out of November, and then all of a sudden, creators, when they get paid from YouTube, they're not just getting paid from YouTube. Creators actually generate money for YouTube, okay? How YouTube makes money is through the advertisements that you see on video ads. However, the creators who have these channels are not only generating money for themselves, but we're generating money for YouTube. In the reality, YouTube takes 55% of the ad money while it gives its creators 45%, which means every $10 that I make for YouTube, I get $4.50 while YouTube gets $5.50. And if that is the case, why would YouTube hinder my progress? But what concerns me the most is the fact that YouTube changed their policy, changed the terms and conditions.
And in an update in their December 2019 update, and a clause in that update stated that YouTube has the right to terminate channels that they don't deem as commercially viable.
What? I will not put any more ads on this video out of protest. And this is not only affecting me, because I've seen across YouTube that this is affecting other creators as well. Even Deji, almost 10 million subscribers, posted a video talking about his frustrations with YouTube. Talking about how YouTube is not putting out certain videos, they're not advertising certain videos for him. How YouTube is recommended particular videos. On certain videos, he's not getting recommended at all. He also, did mention about the issue about his subscribers not getting the post notifications. That when people go to him and complain to him about, yo, why aren't you posting videos? And they're like, no, go to my channel. And when they go to his channel, they find out that, yo, he's actually been posting content.
So I've been uploading on this channel as of recently, and YouTube, they've been silencing me. I'll upload a video, it will get age restricted, meaning that it won't push to all my audience, and then it just gets flattened, so it won't even appear in some of your notifications or anything. And a lot of you guys have been hitting me up saying I don't see your videos. I only see them if I go on your channel.
Hold on. Calm down a little bit. It's the same thing what I'm going with Yaadman, right? Now, as I say, I'm just trying my best to put some good positive energy on this platform for me and my Jamaican people and my Caribbean people, right? Now, I'm going to be honest. I have videos that I have yet to upload. I have videos that I'm still editing, right? But if things is going on like this, I feel like it would be a disservice to me to give you guys these good videos that I have, fully knowing YouTube is not going to give me my post notifications. And let's be real here, not everything's about the money, but this job is what's paying my bills. Alright. To be real, even when it comes to getting promotions and things like that, what is it going to look like when I get a potential client and they look at my analytics and they realize that my analytics are not doing well? No, guess what? My analytics are not doing well, no fault of my own, because I am doing everything right. But you guys, YouTube, my post notifications, you're messing with my post notifications. People are not seeing my videos. Wow, it would be ironic if this video blew up, right? It would be really ironic, but I really doubt that this video is even going to get 2,000 views, to be perfectly honest. Out of protest because Deji feels as if YouTube doesn't want him posting videos. And right now, at this point, I feel the same way. So right now is war. I'm gonna declare war on YouTube, right? If you don't want me posting my videos, guess what? Me, I'm gonna continue to post my bumbo video. Bumbo. Why me I send some word them at this point? Like, YouTube do business about me anyway. Me I gonna continue and post me bumbo clad video them. Yo, them don't understand patois, dog. What you say? YouTube don't understand Jamaican cuss word them? You have English for them. Yo, YouTube fuck off, yeah, man. Sure.